So this aqueduct is almost 200 years old, and as with most old things, it needed a lot of work. So the Conococheague Aqueduct behind me is one of the 11 aqueducts in the park. It's a water bridge that carries the water in the canal over the local creek or river bodies. The Conococheague Aqueduct was finished in 1835, 15 years before the canal officially opened, and was in place until 1920. What we've tried to do is restore the aqueduct to look like that 1920 to 1924 appearance with a wooden wall. This project was started in 2016 and was completed this year in August 8th of 2019. The project also restored the appearance of the aqueduct to preserve that story and history so that people who come here can actually know what an aqueduct looked like and could see it function. As much of the historic material was used as possible. During this process, we actually found a lot of the historic rocks in the creek and also buried in the canal. So along with this project of restoring the aqueduct, we've also restored a lock house. We're working on restoring the Lock 44. We've lifted up the railroad lift bridge, and we're actually building our new headquarters across the street. So this is a great local investment for our park and the local area.